my recital. I think it's very vital to cook for you today. Hello, North Highland Church. My name is Pastor Justin, and this is my lovely wife,
Cassie.
And we are about to give you a fasting-friendly recipe. So, today we have a variety of different ingredients. Cassie, what is this?
That is barley.
Barley.
I've never made that before.
Never made it before either, and actually this is in our recipe, but if you do not have barley, if you've never seen barley, like me, you can use some rice, because really it doesn't add that much. But if you want to use the barley, you can. What else do we have here, Cass?
We got some spinach, some beans, we've got our carrots, celery.
Flour. The recipe calls for wheat flour, but we got some vegetable broth. So we are going to be making some soup.
Italian bean
soup. I guess chickpeas, red beans, and lima beans are very Italian. So, what we're gonna do, what is the first step we have here, Cassie?
Okay, so first we need to cook the barley, which we've already done here.
Because it takes 45 minutes. So Publix, this is not a 45-minute recipe. It's an hour and like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
So in a stock pot, we need to start heating our oil.
Which I did.
Okay,
Get hot.
Well, the next step would be to add our celery and garlic.
Okay, cool.
And saute those until they're soft.
Ooh. I'm gonna use some type of spatula.
Oh.
Yeah, I might need that. But
there's one right there.
Oh, boom. All right, we got that. Cool. Can you hand me the garlic powder?
The garlic?
Any onion powder.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I don't like onions, but onion powder is fine. So we're gonna add a little bit of that for the flavor. I respect the flavor. Cool. All right. So what is next?
So then you need to add some flour. You need to keep stirring.
Cool.
For about 30 seconds until it's all mixed together.
All right. So I'm supposed to measure this, but my grandma taught me you just gotta feel it out a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. Boom. I actually made this last night, so I'm not just going in blind. Cool. All right. I think we're looking pretty good, Cassie.
Awesome. Then the next step would be to add your...
Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that. Look at that color. Beautiful.
Then you need to add your seasoning.
Cool. So we did already pre-measure all the seasonings out. So we got a little...
Got some rosemary, thyme, bay leaves.
Yes. Boom. All right. Cool. So we're getting in there, getting it stirred nice and get it. Wow.
And then next you're gonna want to add your vegetable
Do you smell?
broth.
Hold on. Do you smell that?
It smells really good.
It smells really good. Add our vegetable broth. You want to pour that in for me?
I will love to.
Oh, yeah. Boom. That's beautiful. I mean, if I'm being completely honest, it's not that beautiful. But it smells good.
It smells really good. And then you're gonna add this one as well.
Yes, go ahead. I'll add this one.
Okay.
Cool. So while we were getting ready to get ready for this cooking session, Cassie had a really good thought about what all this kind of represents to us.
Yeah, so we have all of these different ingredients, which they're each really great on their own, but together when we combine them, they're just even better, and they all complement each other in different ways. And that's kind of like how the body of Christ operates. Like, we're all great on our own, but together we're so much more powerful and so much more awesome together. So just unifying the body of Christ is really important during this time of fasting.
Yeah, and I know that so many of us, together, fasting together, being with someone that is fasting with you. Can you hand me the beans, please? I find it a lot easier. I know that a lot of times when I'm fasting by myself or I'm trying to be more healthy and I'm doing it on my own, it's discouraging, And so maybe if you come together with somebody saying, hey, can you help me fast? Can we share recipes? Can we do different things? It would really help you put everything in the pot together and make something that is really, really good. And so next, the recipe kind of calls for that we get this to boil and get ready for you. And so we actually don't have time to sit here for 20 minutes. So, just like Rachel Ray, I've already prepared it for you. So you want to look right here. This is what the Italian bean soup will end up looking like. You got some of that, that barley. We're gonna add that in there a little later. We put some of this fresh, what is this? Spinach. That's in there. And it's a really yummy dish. Has potatoes in it, carrots, and it's just really healthy. And so everything in here is unified together to make something That is good. So I hope this encouraged you. I hope this encouraged you to get out there and make some yummy food. And also, when you're not in the fast, give you some Italian sausage, a little bit of bacon, throw it in there. It's gonna be great. Cool. Have a great one. We love you, church.
Bye.
Bye.